There's too many people that have spinal fusions that afterwards, they're either worse or it didn't do anything. It didn't solve it. So yeah, I felt pretty bad about it. I came up here to Barefoot Rehab for my left foot, and that was the first thing that he attacked. And I'd be a son of a gun. That night I could walk and stand up. I was like, wow. Greg Walker from Dallas, Texas. 56 years old. I've been dealing with chronic pain probably close to 10 years throughout my whole body, different places, different times. About 8 years ago, my feet started getting tight, numb, painful, led to back pain. Wasn't too bad the first 3, 4, 5 years, and then it got bad. I saw everybody from probably 2, 3 chiropractors, probably 4 or 5 physical therapists. I even went to acupuncture, foot doctors, leg doctors. Everywhere my primary care told me to go, I went. And it all came down to the neurosurgeon in the end saying, let's do a spinal fusion.
He had fusion from L3 to S1 December 2024, so a year ago, and all his left glute pain came back. His foot did not change at all from the fusion. So, good job, surgeons.
Any idea how much money you spent?
My wife's not happy about that part. I don't know. I'm really kind of scared to add it up. The fixes didn't work. The spinal fusion didn't work because a lot of it I'm finding out were adhesions. After the surgery, you're kind of desperate. You're like, man, something's gotta give. I got on the internet and I was doing and looking up nerve adhesions, and I couldn't find anybody in Dallas that did them manually the way Dr. Chris does. I didn't want any more surgery, so I basically just searched, and then Barefoot Rehab was the only one that came up. He's got a lot of videos, testimonials. I started watching those. After about 6 months watching it and you know, doing research, I just decided I wanted to come up here and check it out. What the heck, I'd seen everybody else. Why not? It was getting to where I couldn't walk. I couldn't stand up and I couldn't walk hardly without just an extreme amount of pain. I came first day, and that was the first thing that he attacked or treated, and I'd be a son of a gun. That night I could walk and stand up. I was like, wow. I would say now I'm 80% better than I was when I got here. He has worked on my whole body. When I saw what he could do for my foot and my leg, I was like, oh no, we're gonna do this, we're gonna do that. I just kept adding on. What else you got in pain? What else you got pain? If you have nerve adhesions anywhere, he can fix them. My shoulder, I was just gonna go home and deal with it. When I first got here today, I didn't realize this, but I couldn't do this and I couldn't do that. And now I can do it with 0 pain. And all he did was fix 2 nerves down here. That's amazing. I came in for one thing and he's probably fixed 10 or more things. I own a swimming pool repair company, remodeling repair company, and when you're young, it's easy, it's great. But when you get older and when you got pain, bending over, getting down on the ground, climbing ladders, every day before was modifying things because of the way I felt and what. And now I can just pretty much, I feel I can do things more normal. I think the person that should come see Barefoot Rehab is anybody that has pain that other doctors haven't been able to fix or haven't been able to solve anywhere in your body. He has fixed a lot of parts of my body that I was just gonna ignore. Anybody that has pain that other doctors haven't been able to solve, I'd give it a shot for sure. One thing I learned about coming up here, if you do come up here from somewhere else, do not go to New York City and try to drive around. That is insanity at its best. I thought that'd be neat, but it didn't work out.
Yeah, no, it is not.